Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a natural, affordable, and effective way to grow your hair, stop breakage, and bring back that beautiful shine, then you need to hear this. Today we are talking about cinnamon and cloves water, a powerful DIY hair treatment that you can easily make at home. Trust me, your hair is going to thank you for this recipe. So guys, the first herb is cloves. Cloves offers several benefits for hair. Due to their rich antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, they can help stimulate hair growth, reduce hair fall, and improve overall scalp health. Cloves can promote blood circulation in the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and potentially prevent premature graying. So guys, the next ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon can offer several benefits for hair health due to its potential to improve scalp circulation and its antimicrobial properties. It can help with hair loss, dandruff, and promote hair growth and shine. Cinnamon can make the hair thicker and healthier. This is because cinnamon improves blood flow to the scalp. It stimulates the hair follicles, which contributes to hair growth. So guys, for this recipe, I will be making just a little quantity. This is because I have other treatments that I'm using for my hair too, so I wouldn't want this to be too much. So I'll be using just a tablespoon of cloves and half stick of cinnamon and a cup of hot water. So guys, once you're done adding your 1 cup of water, you're going to cover the container, shake it properly, and leave it to infuse for hours. But I left mine for 48 hours. Not compulsory to leave yours for 48 hours. You can leave yours for 8 hours, 6 hours is fine. So guys, this is 48 hours later. So guys, as you can see here, my herbs have properly infused into the water. The color has changed. So now my treatment is ready to be used. So guys, after my herbs have finally infused, I'm going to sieve my treatment, my water. Then after sieving it properly, I'm going to put it in a spray bottle or any applicator bottle for easy application. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, please like, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications to know each time I post a new video. Thank you. Hey guys, so guys, while I show you guys how to apply this treatment on your hair, so let's talk about the basics of cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just for your tea or pastries. It is packed with antioxidants and has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, which means better hair growth. Cloves, on the other hand, are tiny but mighty. They are full of nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, plus minerals like iron and potassium. They fight dandruff, promote thicker hair, and can even slow down hair loss. Now imagine combining both. It's like giving your scalp a superfood smoothie. So I know you'll be asking, how does this combo really benefit your hair? So this combo stimulates hair growth. Cinnamon boosts blood flow, helping hair follicles grow faster, fights dandruff and itchiness. Cloves has antifungal properties that cleanses your scalp naturally, reduces hair shedding. With regular use, it strengthens the roots and reduces breakage. It adds shine and softness. Your strands will start to feel smoother and look healthier. So guys, you can use this as a daily scalp spray or a final rinse after shampooing your hair. If you are spraying it, apply directly to your scalp and massage it in with your fingertips for a few minutes. If you are using it as a rinse, pour it over your hair after washing. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse out with cool water or leave it in if you want extra conditioning. Do this 2 to 3 times a week and be consistent. Hair growth takes time, but the results will speak for themselves. These are some of the precautions. 1. Always do a patch test first to make sure you are not allergic. 2. Do not overuse. Too much cinnamon can be drying. 3. Store the water in a fridge and use within 5 to 7 days. 4. You can also add a few drops of rosemary or peppermint oil for even more results. So guys, there you have it, cinnamon and cloves water, a simple, affordable and all natural way to boost your hair growth journey. If you've tried this before or you are excited to give it a go, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your results. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing hair tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of that beautiful crown.